Here I have iPhone 11, let me show you how to change mail signature on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, then find and select settings. Here you need to scroll down and choose the mail right here, choose mail, and scroll down again. Now you can tap on signature. As you can see right now, you've got the default signature sent from my iPhone, but you can change it. For example, you can choose send best regards option. And you can leave it like this. Now you can go back and you can use new signature and you can use your device. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.